How does volcano work? Volcano was produced over thousands of years as heat pressure buildup. The aspect of a volcano is very difficult to recreate in the home experiment. However, this volcano will give you an idea of what might it looks like when a volcano erupts like a flowing lava. This is a classical experiment that shows a simulation of volcanic eruption. So now we will do the experiment. First, you need to prepare the materials. The materials needed are 50 ml of water, red food coloring for the lava to make more like real, vinegar and baking soda to create an eruption. Lastly, add 50 ml of vinegar. Vinegar and baking soda to create an eruption. And a bottle. Paper mache for the shape of the volcano. Funnel, in order to minimize the spilling of the substances from one container to another. So here are the steps. First, pour 50 ml of water in the bottle. Then add 2 spoonfuls of baking soda by using funnel. Add about 10 drops of red food coloring. Now, watch the volcano come alive. You can also vary the amount of vinegar and baking soda to have several results for the intensity of the eruption. That's all. Thank you.